Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube mini-series on Sudsies Couture services. We hope that you enjoy this presentation and find it useful.
Next, we hand steam finish, also known as ironing. Couture garments are hand steam finished for several important reasons. Let's explore why applying precision hand steaming preserves the look and feel. Certain luxury fabrics, like silk or delicate cashmere, often require hand steam finishing because it allows for more precise control over the temperature and pressure applied. Hand steaming reduces the risk of overheating or damaging the fabric, ensuring it retains its luxurious texture and appearance for longer. This method also minimizes the chances of creating unwanted shine or flattening delicate fibers, preserving the garment's integrity and quality. Luxury garments often feature intricate designs, pleats, folds, and embellishments that require careful attention during ironing. Hand steaming allows Sudsies garment care specialists to tailor their approach to these unique features, ensuring each detail is treated with the appropriate technique. Hand steaming reduces the likelihood of creating shine or press marks on the fabric, which can occur with machine ironing. The hands-on approach allows for gentle manipulation of the fabric to achieve a smooth finish without compromising its integrity. At Sudsies, meticulous hand steaming is integral to our Couture dry cleaning services, ensuring luxury garments receive impeccable finishing touches. Our garment care specialists meticulously execute every detail, from crisp edges to defined seams and perfectly aligned pleats. Hand steaming allows for close inspection, ensuring any remaining wrinkles or imperfections are carefully addressed. For instance, delicate silk dresses and fine tuxedo shirts benefit from this process, maintaining their pristine appearance and structural integrity. Beyond aesthetics, hand steaming underscores our dedication to craftsmanship and superior garment care, emphasizing longevity alongside impeccable presentation. It's an artisanal approach that embodies Sudsies' commitment to preserving the beauty and quality of each garment we handle.